We're continuing with the Keset Hasofer, Siman Aleph Sif Kimon. The Keset Hasofer writes, Kol Shapasal Akosvan, anyone who's disqualified to write the Torah is also going to be disqualified. Pasal the Kol Tikun Yasin is disqualified with any of the repairs to the Torah. And he continues, Tzricha Hazaris as Hasofer, you need to encourage the scribes, and to punish them, Shalu Shum Tikun Ayidei Isha Kata, not to make any repairs through a woman or a minor. And the Lishkat Hasofer says that the source for this comes from a tshuva of Maran of Lublin, Siman Samaches. And the Maran of Lublin writes that within this is included, you have to be strict not to make any repairs of the Torah scroll through a woman, whether to scrape away the parts that need to be erased, or even to sew the Torah together. You might think that sewing the Torah together is permitted, but he says it should not be done. However, b'di'evid, if she sewed it together, then it would be okay in limited circumstances, if the stitching was not too tight. But if she scraped away the letters now then we come, what about b'di'evid if she scraped away the letters? So if the letters were those letters like a kuf or a hey or an aleph, and she scraped it away within the letter itself, then it's going to be disqualified, even b'di'evid, because it's chok tochos, which we'll learn about, which is you can't create a letter through erasing the ink around it. So that, of course, is prohibited, irrespective of the fact that it's a woman writing it. Nobody is allowed to do that. But if the negios, the touching of the letters, were between two separate letters, and then a woman scraped away the letters that were touching another letter, then b'di'evid, after the fact, it's not disqualified. But he has to be very careful to know exactly which places that she did, and then the scribe should go back and redo it, because that's going to be called lechatchila. So obviously we see from Keset Hasofer that women should not be involved in the sewing or the repairing of the Torah scroll ideally. But my brother showed me that in Maine, around the 1950s, in an Orthodox synagogue, there was a picture of the women sewing the Torah together. So they didn't follow this Keset Hasofer there.